everybody, this is CR number 24, helper video number 3. It says, which is an equation of line L? Okay, so some of you might get a little bit confused because this line is a vertical line. So because it's a vertical line, we know that the slope is undefined, okay? So if I really totally forget how to write the equation for a line like this is what I suggest you do. I suggest you make an X and Y table. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And all that I'm going to do is I'm going to pick, say, just a few points on this line. So maybe I'll pick this point here because I like positive numbers. Oh, let me make that a little bit thicker so you can actually see the points that I'm selecting. I'm going to pick this point here. Bam. I'm going to pick this point down here. I'm going to pick, whoa, let's go right on there. And then I'm going to pick the point down here. Okay. So now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to write down in my table here my XY values at those points. So this first one is at -4, 8. So my X value is -4. My Y value is 8. My next one is at -4, 3. So I'm going to go ahead and write -4, 3. My next one is at -4, 0. So I'm going to go ahead and write that one down. And my last one is at -4, -4. There we go. Well, now that I've got this beautiful table here, I should be able to start recognizing something funny is up with the X column. Tell me something that you realize about the X column. Well, all of them are equal to -4. So guess what the name of my line is? It's X equals -4. Woohoo! Isn't that fun? So there you go. Make an XY table, plug in some beautiful points, recognize what you see they all have in common, and then go ahead and choose the line and the equation that matches it. All right, good luck. See you soon.